Here we've got a video review. ASONPAO. These are remote controls. You can buy them individually as one, or a 2-pack, or a 3-pack. I think you can buy them in black, blue. I don't know if they had a red. I figured blue, yeah. Selling the place. And I thought, you know, these things aren't that expensive. I think they're, so you press the button, they probably have something for the battery. I hope there's a battery in here. We'll find out. I think 3 of these cost like 16 bucks. 2 of them cost about 13 or 14. It's not a bad deal. Come on. And the ones that I have now, one of them's a few years old and the button doesn't work, and the other is about 25 years old. So how do we open these? Oh, so we have a little, I don't know what the heck that's for. Is that for a bracket? I don't know. Get a little gap over there, probably for a quarter. Hold on. So anytime I buy something, if it works, good. If it's junk, I return it. I'm not going to be able to go outside because it's pitch black out and it's cold now, and I can't test this out. But what I'm going to do, will the quarter fit? Oh my God. I don't want to break this thing. Oh, come on. If it works, I'll be happy. I'll leave a comment. The first comment, this is ridiculous. I don't have a big screwdriver. Oh, come on now. This, now I'm not happy. There is no reason to make something that is this difficult to open. Normally you pop a coin in there, you turn it, and it pops. Not happy. I'm already an unhappy customer. But if it works, that will be good. Let me move the camera out of the way. I've already ruined it. I've already ruined it over here because I can't get the thing open. And good for you that you're making a nice solid unit, but if people have to go through this every single time they put a new battery in here, this thing's going to be broken in no time. Thrilled. This already came off in the box. And the instructions, let's see if this goes back on. Wow, look at this. We're talking cheap, people. The light's coming on for this one. Is the light coming on for this one? Light's coming on for this one. Is the light coming on for this one? Light's coming on for this one. It says, remove the screws on the back, which they don't seem to exist. This is how you're supposed to open it. Remove the screws on the back and separate the 2 sides. So there are no screws. The instructions are not good. This piece is already coming out. Let's see if I can get it open. If I can't, then I'm just going to return it. I'll say it's junk and it doesn't work. I don't have time for this. $14, this could have been a nice experience, but our friends didn't make it that way. How are we going to handle this? Why do companies do this? I don't understand this. 1, 2, 3 clips. Put the instructions in here. Go on Amazon. I've already tried to open 3 of them, and 3 of them are now damaged on the end because I can't open them. Return it. My suggestion, don't waste your time. One comment, I didn't look, I should have looked. Always make sure that when you buy something that says shipped by Amazon, supplied by Amazon, this is shipped by I don't know who, but when I went to do the return, it says you might have to pay a restocking fee, or you might not get your refund, or you might get a partial refund. I wrote, this is a defective product. All 3 of them, I was not able to open them. So we'll see what happens if Amazon, I know it's a third-party vendor, and Amazon, they don't like to lose customers. I'm a good customer. If this company says they're not going to refund me fully, then I'll call Amazon, and they'll look at my record, and they'll say, yeah, we'll cover the cost of the difference. But I wouldn't buy this at all. Make sure I was the fool. Make sure shipped by Amazon, supplied by Amazon, and I couldn't open any of the 3, which means this is a bad product. Might work well if you could get it open,